Second time, I've studied a lot, learned a lot of strategies and whatever, but I wasn't finding the consistency. So when I got a job, yeah, it changed my way of trading because I looked at it, I said, I need to focus on only one pair.
Thanks for doing the interview.
Yes, man. That's good. Welcome.
Where are you calling from today?
Yeah, I'm calling from Bradford.
Bradford?
United. Yeah, UK.
Okay. I thought it was the UK. You can tell by the bricks. I don't know why. Not many places in the world use red brick, but all right. How are you finding Bradford?
Okay, you saw red bricks.
Yeah, I saw red bricks. I thought that must be England.
Yeah. That's it. I'm calling from Bradford. Yeah.
All right. Right, let's get started then. Maybe you could just introduce yourself. Tell us a bit about yourself. How long you've been trading. Anything else you find interesting to us?
Yeah. My name is Martin Enya, and I'm from Nigeria. So, where I started trading quite, let's say, from 2012. There about 2012, 2015, but it wasn't consistent. So, like during my university days, when I finished my university in the country, I studied material and metallurgical engineering. So when I finished school, so starting up life was very difficult a little bit. So there was this my friend, a very good friend, my university mate. So he was trading then, was doing okay. So I met him. I wanted to do trading, Okay, fortunate to me, when we finished school, I schooled there in Nnamdi Azikiwe University, which is at Anambra State, if you know a little bit of Nigeria. And me, I'm from Ebonyi State. So we used to do National Youth Service after graduation, as you serve the country for a year or so. So this, my friend, was posted to my state. So fortunately, I was around to welcome him, so he was telling me about trading, he showed me a lot of stuff and like, come on. So I picked little interest. So after his service, he left or whatever. So but when he left, that was when the urge grew bigger. So then I met him again. I told him, come on, put me through on this. Also, so he had to put me through. So from there, I started trading. So
okay. So he taught you a few things, did he?
Yeah. So he gave me some materials to study, which I did. Then from them, I pick up also. So I think I met him like I think twice or thereabouts. So the first time I met him, we discussed some other things. Then the second time, I've studied a lot, learned a lot of strategies and whatever, but I wasn't finding the consistency. So I think I met him back again. I think maybe 2015 or 2016 or thereabouts. So I met him back again. So he only kind of boosted my confidence and whatever. So when I came back, that was the breakthrough. So I started trading very well, and
great. Okay. So
made a lot of money in trading. Invested. I had a very big farm. In fact, the largest farm in my community then.
Oh, right. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that was.
So what was the? Tell us a bit about that then. So how did you manage to make a load of money? What was the strategy? What were you trading?
Yeah. I was then. I think I was trading major pairs: EURUSD, GDP USD, USD CAD. Then with gold. Gold is one of my favorites. So
yeah.
And so I was trading with Rally Trade, Hot Forex, and Oxy Forex. So I wasn't doing Profam. So I was trading with them. So
using your own money.
Yeah, using my own money. Yes. Using my own money. So I funded maybe I started gradually, then grew my capital. So mostly what I was trading, what I normally do is that Martingale is one of my favorite strategy of trading.
Okay, so you just keep increasing the quantities, yeah.
I use fixed lot. So when you say they're increasing, I don't mean you mean keep entering your position, especially when it's going against you. That's when. So I normally have a target that, okay, I won't add at this, and this is my stop loss, you know. So sometimes when I said, okay, maybe if I'm buying gold, maybe at 1.10, I said, okay, I'm losing 10 pips on this particular trade. So even if it goes against me, it gets to that thing, I'm out of the market. Also, I look for another opportunity. Also, then I kind of split my lot. Maybe if I want to go with one lot, I don't jump in all with one lot at once. So I goes in with a 0.5 lot per entry. Then probably if it's going against me, I take in another 0.5 lot.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So, is that what you're trading at FundedNext?
Yeah. When I started trading FundedNext, in fact, when I moved to UK, I have to change my strategies. Because when I moved to UK, I started working. I got a job. So when I started trading, I just moved to UK. My wife was like, let's move to the UK, let's just move. He wants to further our education or whatever. So I said, okay, if that's the one. I didn't plan. As of 2 years ago, I didn't have the dream that I'll be traveling out of my place. I had a very good investment there also. So then one day she just has this urge that she's not comfortable. She wants to move on with her career or whatever. So she said, okay, where do you want to go? She said she wants to, then before we know, she got admission. We moved to the UK. So when we moved to the UK, inflation, this thing was very difficult for us also. So I had to get a job because I was paying almost £30,000 for her school fees or whatever. So
Yeah. It's an expensive country.
yeah, very expensive. Yeah. So I said, okay, I need to get a job since she's not working and we have a baby or so then.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So when I got a job, yeah, it changed my way of trading because I looked at it, I said, I need to focus on only one pair. The way I started trading, because when I moved to the country first, the UK is that when I started working, you can't use your phone. When you go to job, you can't access your phone. You can't, do one thing. Until one day at work, I saw a colleague who was trading. I said, come on, what are you doing? He said, I'm trading. Do you know trading? I said, of course I know it. Fortunately to me and to him, he was trading on gold. So he brought it. I said, okay,
As you met a fellow trader.
yeah, let me see your chart. So
Yeah.
he just showed me his chart, and the guy is good. When he showed me his chart, he was already on a trade, but I wasn't seeing the position he was on. So he was like, on this particular chart, what will you do? I look at the chart, look at it. I said, if I'm to take a trade on this, I'll be buying. That was when he looked at me and showed me his chart and was like, he was buying and he was on profit. He said, how do you know? I said, of course. Before I moved to the UK or whatever, that's what I've been doing. So, but that day when I get home, I was like, come on, I can't be staying like this. I need to go back to trading. So I started trading. So it changed my method. I won't trade most of other pairs, major pairs and whatever. I just need to concentrate on one. And I looked at it and I trade only gold. Reason is that by the time you trade GDP USD, Euro USD, USD CAD, the USD JPY, when you take multiple trades, you need you need to monitor those trades individually. So most of the time, if you're consistent on your trade, it will disorganize your trade. You can see Euro USD giving you profit, GDP USD not giving you profit. And when you don't manage a trade very well, you end up losing that trade. So I looked at it, I said, okay, let me focus on gold. If I'm losing on gold, I know what I'm doing. If I'm making profit, I know what I'm doing. So that's how I came back to trading, and I just focus only on gold so that I will have the time to manage it and I will have the time to look at it. So I don't look at any other pairs for now.
No need. One pair is enough. That's all you need. If you know it well, no point looking at anything else, especially forex. It's not really moving anyway. So, okay. So, can we see a chart? Can we see a dashboard? Can we see some ideas on maybe a previous gold trade, just to give us something for traders out there to take a sneak look at your strategy?
Okay, let me see it. Because it's not large enough for me to see everything also. Okay. Yeah, I think I've made some withdrawals, which is this payout. So
Nice, nice.
yeah,
$33,000. Very nice.
yeah. So although I've lost some couple of accounts, you
Do you think
know,
that was you were risking too much, possibly?
yeah, that was last month. I had, in fact, last month was one of my highest losses so far. Okay, bridge
Oh,
account.
okay. What do you think went wrong? You think you're too big a lot size?
Yeah, too big a lot size, and I wanted to make money because I wanted to travel. I lost
Ah.
my yeah, yeah,
That's the trouble. If you want to make money, you're not going to do it.
yeah. So I lost my immediate younger brother. So
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh,
yeah,
right.
so and
That's, yeah.
I wanted to travel, which I did. So I came back a few days ago. So he died ending of July. So I planned traveling or whatever. So I needed to like let me make some extra money or whatever. But it wasn't working. So
No, it's we try and force these things. It just makes it worse, doesn't it?
yeah, so it made me
Okay.
lose some couple of money, bridge a lot of account between August or so. Because if you check my when I started trading with FundedNext, I think that was in May. Yep, I bought the first account. But the first account, I breached it. I bought the second account. When I bought the second account, I took it to life account. I bought the third account. When I bought the third account, I took it to life account. So from that moment, I was doing very well. I think my first account, my first withdrawal, I withdraw with that account, I think 3 or 4 times thereabout before it breached. So until when I get to July, ending of July, then August, in fact, August especially, that was terrible, man. So because I was posting and
August. Well,
yeah,
August is difficult anyway because it's the summer. So,
so although I took a lot of risk because I was trying to make some journey and make some move, and I was not just myself also. So sometimes I didn't sleep for days. I didn't even eat for days based on what. So I at that period I should have quit trading or I should have stopped trading also. But I was just doing it to see if I can make myself happy or take my mind out of something or thereabout also. So that was when I had the one of the worst losses also in the month of uh, July. In fact, there was an account I bought. That's because I saw 25K account or whatever. So I bought 25K account. I took it to life account, made good profit from it. That account was, I think, few days or thereabout to withdraw. I was still trading it, and I lost everything. Yeah.
yeah,
So
got to be careful when you're not feeling on fully on form. Best not to trade.
yeah.
So, with regards to the payouts you did receive, I'm assuming you're happy with the speed of the payout and the.
Whoa. In fact, well, I don't want to talk about maybe other pro firms or thereabout, but I've traded with when I started trading in the UK, I was also trading with Vantage. I was trading
Okay. Yeah.
with
Yeah.
Vantage Market, make some good money with them, also thereabout, until one of my friend was like, "Come on, why don't you trade with a pro firm? That pro firm will pay you better." I feel the no, that's why would I want to trade with Profile? The time you make to pass the challenge, first stage, first and stage two, that should have been your money also. So, but later on, he convinced me. I said, okay, let's give it a try. I tried with SI. I think that company they've closed, shut down. So I made some withdrawal with them. So when I started with SI, in fact, there was a day I traded with them. I made £2,000 in a day. Yeah,
Nice.
they had this package they call crypto crazy. You have to trade only Bitcoin,
Oh right. Yeah. No,
or crypto
not
pairs or
familiar.
whatever. Also,
Not
so I
familiar
was
with them.
just yeah, I was just following the candle formation. Look at the candle, okay, Bitcoin is going to buy in 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame or 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame. I take my position. there. So I made some good money. So I had some challenges with them because you're talking about my payout. So when I made this £2,000, because at first I'll make 100, 200, 300 pounds, they'll pay. So when I made this £2,000, something told me that these guys won't pay you this money.
No.
That's the
and you were
truth.
right.
Yeah, I took screenshot. Immediately, I was as my profit was increasing, I was taking screenshots,
Yeah.
So then I placed the withdrawal. Immediately I placed the withdrawal, I couldn't log into my account. I was like, what happened? So I wrote to the support. I sent a screenshot to them and this thing. I said, look at. So they replied me and they didn't block my account. I said, no, but I can't log in. They said, okay, why don't you log in? I tried it again, the account opened, but my profit was not there, whatever. And I asked them, what about my profit? They said, what about your profit? Nothing. I sent them a screenshot again about my profit and everything, that this is the profit I've made and this is how I made my, I sent them a screenshot of everything. They put back my money and they paid me that money.
Oh, they did in the end. Right. Good.
Yeah, they paid. So, but I became very worried about them also because the company closed. They shut down with my over $5,000. So I have an email wherever that I sent to them, or and I chat them up, So, but when then my next this thing again was FundedNext. When I made profit, I placed my withdrawal immediately when it was due for withdrawal. I placed it, went to bed, it fell in early in the morning. I got my profit. I got my account was credited. I was like, wow, less than 24 hours, So, and
Nice.
happens the second withdrawal, same thing. Third withdrawal, same thing. I built a lot of confidence. Then I traded with some other pro firms, two more other pro firms. Well, I think I should call their name. I traded with GFT, got funded.
Oh yes, I remember.
And I traded with Alpha Capital.
Oh, Alpha. Yeah, they're a bit suspicious,
Yeah, so,
I think, aren't they? Yeah.
Yeah, I traded with good funded, made profit. I placed my withdrawal. My account was frozen. I was like, what happened? I contacted them. They said, okay, I should give them four working days or 4 working, whatever I said. I said, okay, no problem. After 4 working days, I contacted them. What's going on? They told me I should wait there. They're checking. The next thing they said, okay, I should take a video of my account or whatever. I was like, you guys do not have a database of the trade history or whatever, which I did. I sent to them. Then they now replied me. I was like, okay, we're going to do a live interview. I said, live interview for my profit or whatever. I said, okay, no problem. Later on, they sent me an email. Okay, everything has been sorted. You will get your money. And they paid me. I think it took about 8 days before got funded, paid me.
Yeah.
Then Alpha Capital took more than 2 weeks. That's the honest truth.
Oh dear. And how long did the FundedNext payout take?
Less than 24 hours. I have the proof. So, and we have a community that we traders we talk about different pro firms or whatever in a Telegram group. So we always go there. We'll talk about different pro firms. So when I told them my experience with FundedNext, all of them were surprised. When I take draw, I share it there with them. Look at FundedNext paid me or whatever. So it's a Telegram. I can even show you the group. Sometimes we talk. Even this interview, I told them about it. So all of them were
surprised.
Yep. The truth is, I don't think I don't know whether there's any other, but I've not seen any. Then not to talk about the 15% challenge phase. Wow, that's something else. No other pro firm, Alpha Capital didn't give me that.
No, that's quite unique to be able to earn a profit share just in an evaluation. Yeah, it's good. It's good to be able to earn some money.
When you make 5% of your profit, you get extra money, 15%. So if you're trading with a 50,000 50K account, That's almost $1,000 extra.
Yeah,
Profit.
no, it's a nice little wage. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the idea.
that's beautiful. So, and I think a few days ago I was discussing with another guy. I said, is there another pro firm that gives a 15% profit?
I don't think so. No.
No, 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 no. I haven't seen any. So that's one of the things that I was like, FundedNext. That's why when my account was like, I said, no, 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 no. This is why I've keep writing to Rick's department, write to this, and I say, what's this? I need to amend whatever thing, because for never for a day I placed withdrawal in FundedNext, and I'll be worried that, oh, will they pay me this money? No, the confidence level has stepped up also.
Good.
Very high.
Well, goes to show
Yeah.
you've managed to withdraw 33,000, so that's that should give you some confidence.
Yeah, that's how.
Yeah.
Can
we see a quick chart? Just conscious of the time here. Can we see a chart maybe of just an idea of how you trade, just to give people something to take away?
Okay. Well, I don't have it.
It doesn't really matter, MT5 or TradingView, whatever's easiest.
Okay, let me look at how to share my screen again.
Oh, we can see your screen. If you just bring up a TradingView tab, that's fine. We can see it.
Yeah, I want to share my MT5.
Oh, okay. I think you'll have to. Are you sharing a browser or sharing a screen? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we can see your MT5. Great.
Yeah, this is my MT5. You can see I just have only gold on my chart.
Yeah, good.
So, let me bring it down. I have some accounts with this thing. I want to make my chart bigger. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So it's gold in the 5 minute. Give us an idea of what you're looking at there. Then, what would you expect to happen?
Yeah. Well, let me go to 4 hours time frame. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. But mostly I don't use this to analyze the market.
So, no. What do you use normally? TradingView.
Yeah, TradingView. So probably let me see if I can share TradingView.
You happy with the spread on gold? I mean, it's pretty tight at the moment. It's about 0.1, isn't it? So I imagine you are.
Yeah, I think the spread on gold is fine. It's okay. In fact, I think, yeah.
Yeah, we go. Yeah, okay. We can see your TradingView.
Yes.
Okay, so no indicators. You're just using what? Key levels and trend lines by the looks of it?
Yeah, at times I use trend line. At times I use a candle formation to take my trade. Now, this trade, if it's for me now, I'll be looking at either buying gold, but to jump out very quickly, or looking at selling gold, probably at this position. That should be 26 this thing, a pending order.
Okay, like a previous high. Okay.
Yeah. Now, if I want to use, there's what we call King Crown. King Crown, yep, is a King Crown. Though some people will call it a head and shoulder.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you use a smart trader, smart trader King Crown, if you drew it very well, then it will show you that your King Crown is accurate. Now, looking at this trade, if you want to take a King Crown, some people will call it head and shoulder. You take from this point A to point B, or point B to point C, point D, down again to this point. I think I should see something. It's a kind of head and shoulder, but me, I don't use head and shoulder like this.
You're expecting it to, yeah.
Okay. Now, for King Crown, this bottom must be lower than this bottom. And that's what has formed here. This bottom is lower than this.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's a kind of
just a wick. That's fine.
Yeah, this, this. If it gets to this position, you can look for your sell and stop loss probably above this high, a little bit above.
Yeah.
Now, for me, because I do Martingale, if the trade gets to this point, I'll take my first entry. Now, waiting for the second entry and waiting for the third entry. Now, when it breaks this point, then I'll be looking at running away from the trade.
Yeah. Okay. Invalid once it takes the high. Sure. Okay. And you'll be looking to target that previous swing low, right?
Yeah, I'll be looking at
2610. Yeah.
To target this. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I understand.
Now, if it takes out this low, I'll be looking at this. Yeah. Now,
so just basically targeting previous swings.
Yeah, but sometimes when I'm what would I call it? If I'm impatient enough, when I want to be aggressive, I look at it. Okay, I want to sell gold. I'll jump in with a smaller lot from this point, then setting the main entering at this point.
Yeah. Just add once it on retracement. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
we get the idea.
Yeah, sometimes the market might not get to this point, and it will drop.
Yeah.
It
So
might
at least
just
you're in a sort of feeler position. Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes I use my own psychology. Most of the times, sometimes I don't trade with stop loss.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. The reason why I don't trade with stop loss, the market always form a wig at the stop loss. It kicks a lot of people out, then goes the other direction. So sometimes I don't trade with stop loss, but on rare situation, because if you don't trade with stop loss, you need to always be on the screen.
Well, yes, exactly. You gotta be monitoring it.
So you have to be watching it.
You need a mental stop loss, obviously.
Yeah,
otherwise you're
because
gonna
the stop loss is already on my head. If it gets to this point, I need to run away.
Yeah. Okay, understand.
So
okay, I think that's pretty clear.
Yeah, when you watch, the market might come, take out this high, and drop. It does that a lot of time.
Yeah.
Always knows that. It just as if it targets the stop loss. When it hits the stop loss, it reverses. So target the stop loss, it turns. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thanks for sharing that. That's great. All right, Martin. I think we've run out of time, unfortunately. So thanks for doing the interview again. Good luck with the. Well, I guess the funded accounts are currently breached, but I guess you'll be looking at an evaluation now.
I don't know. I've been writing to Rick's department. They should at least I don't know, because I have 2 life accounts that has been put on inactive.
Okay.
Which those accounts I can amend things.
I'm sure that'll get sorted. Yeah, soon enough. So. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for, and I also told them, because I know that last month I was just so worried and whatever, and everything. I was just like trading excessively, and because I don't trade like that. I don't have too many accounts, but if you check my history or whatever, it was within the last month I bought so many accounts, and the number of accounts I bought wasn't compared to the account I bought in May, and the account I bought in June, and the account I bought in July. When I came to August, so it was sometime after I traveled to my country, spent some few days, I realized that this was not me. What was really happening to me? So I found out that maybe I even told them that, come on, I think I was unstable, or so. That's why I've been trading that way, but I can always amend things, and always been the trader I always been to, because because a lot of people find it very difficult to believe that you can just be a full-time trader. I was a full-time trader in the year of 2017, 2018, 2019, I was supposed to relocate to Canada in 2018. I canceled this thing because I was really enjoying my life then. I was trading and I was doing very well with my trades and everything, and very wonderful. So some people came to me. I was like, I'll tell you, this is how trade works. You know, don't expect to invest, because then I don't trade pro firms. Don't expect to invest how will I call it? Maybe 100,000 naira in my side. Then you want to make, okay, let's say you want to invest 100,000 pounds, then you want to withdraw a million thousand pounds. It doesn't work that way, you know. So I try to tell a lot of people, see, this was like me. I'm a living testimony of when it comes to trading and whatever. Also,
I'm sure you'll be back and funded before you know it. So just stick to the process.
yeah,
Don't get too greedy, and yeah, everything
yeah,
everything will sort itself out. Yeah. All right.
exactly.
All right, Martin. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right. Speak to you again. Bye.
Yeah, bye.